This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the bike can handle the sidecar load and why that matters. Stability and brake performance change. Once done, measure wheelbase and mark mounting points roughly 10 to 20 centimeters behind the rear axle to keep tracking predictable. Cut and fit the steel tubing for the main frame and mock-up clamps. This first frame determines alignment, so clamp temporarily and check for parallelism. Make sure to orient the sidecar wheel so it shares road contact forces without lifting the bike when cornering. You now weld the crossmembers and gussets to build a rigid subframe. Do this in stages to avoid heat warping because alignment is critical. Once welded, attach adjustable struts, threaded rods or turnbuckles so you can tweak ride height and lateral offset. Mount the sidecar wheel and set a slight toe-in of about 0.5 to 1, 0 degrees and neutral camber. This reduces pull and wandering. Finally, bolt the swivel mount and test steering input by rolling the bike to feel resistance and adjust until tracking matches. You finish by torquing all mounting bolts to manufacturer or calculated spec and apply thread locker on critical fasteners because vibration loosens connections. Once secure, perform progressive test rides at low speeds then higher speeds, observing pull, shimmy, or binding. These signs tell you what to tweak. If the bike pulls, adjust the toe or lateral offset first, then add small ballast if needed to alter weight distribution. If shimmy appears, check wheel bearings and tighten struts. Re-weld or reinforce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.